To replace the dust bag in Orb-i's charging and self-empty station, open the lid, pull the card up, and remove the bag. The card will seal the bag so debris can't get out. Drop the full bag into the trash. To install a new dust bag, slide the card into the guide rails inside the station. Move down the card to make sure the bag is open. Closing the lid can also place the card into place. If the dust bag's opening is closed, or if it is not aligned with the air pathway opening on the charging station, the indicator light on the charging station turns red. Open the lid, remove the dust bag, and clean any visible debris from the air pathway opening. Then slide the dust bag back into the guide rails. Press the card down to open the dust bag, then close the lid carefully. Let Orb-i dock and press Empty Bin on the app. Or initiate a self-empty by pressing the charging button on Orb-i while he's docked on the charging station. If air is able to flow freely, the indicator light turns off. Note that the light is blue if there is no self-empty trouble, and Orb-i is removed from the charging station. Over time, debris can build up on Orb-i's charging contacts, inside the charging and self-empty station, and on the charging station indicator window. To clean them, use a clean dry cloth to wipe these areas thoroughly. If heavy debris becomes clogged in Orb-i's dustbin or his charging and self-empty station, the indicator light on the charging station blinks red. To clear debris from the dustbin, remove the dustbin and open it to remove any heavy debris inside it. Check the entry and exit flaps on the dustbin and clean debris gathered in these areas. Check the disposal vent aperture to make sure it bounces freely. To clear debris from the self-empty charging station, remove Orb-i from the station. Open the charging station and pull the card to seal and remove the dust bag. Set the dust bag aside and close the lid. Unplug the charging station from the wall. Remove the station from the charging bed. Then, tilt the charging station onto its back or turn it upside down. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the 5 screws on the air pathway access window. Remove the air pathway access window. Clear the debris from the air pathway access window and air pathway canal. Reinstall the air pathway access window and tighten the 5 screws. Turn the charging station upright. Then, open the station and slide the dust bag into the guide rails. Press the card down to open the seal and ensure free flow of air. Place the charging bed back in place and plug the station into the wall. Finally, send Orb-i to dock or manually place him back on the station in position. Press Empty Bin on the app or initiate a self-empty by pressing the charge button on Orb-i while he's docked on the charging station. If air is able to flow freely, the indicator light turns off. If you need additional help with Orb-i, please get in touch with our helpful support team.